How do you port 1,000,000 lines of code in 2 weeks? Anthropic just published the playbook. Let's read it and highlight what matters. Here's Anthropic's post. We'll walk it top to bottom and mark the key moves. Years turned into weeks. Porting a production codebase to a new language used to be a multi-year endeavor. Bun made the leap. 1,000,000 lines of Rust landed in under 2 weeks, with the full test suite passing before merge. 1 weekend, whole rewrite. A team lead ported a Python codebase into 165,000 lines of TypeScript over a single weekend. Here is the trick. The core insight is that you do not fix the code, you fix the process that produced it. So what is it? An AI code migration puts agents to work porting a codebase to a new language or framework. Failure got cheap. The worst case now is simply that you delete the branch and try again. It still costs money. The Bun port burned almost 6 billion input tokens, roughly $165,000. The work splits up. Migration runs across thousands of independent files, so many agents can work at the same time. A built-in judge. Most big codebases ship a test suite, giving agents an objective way to verify their work. The list writes itself. Every failed compile or test simply becomes the next item for an agent to fix. Test your judge first. Run it on deliberately broken code to confirm it actually fails before you trust it. Here's the short version. Big picture. AI agents now compress multi-year code migrations into a matter of weeks. Second, you do not fix the code by hand, you fix the loop of rules and reviews that produces it. Third, migrations fit agents perfectly, parallel files, the old code as a spec, and tests as a referee. Finally, build a strong judge before you start, or you have no real measure of success. For more AI explainers, read line by line. Visit standarity.com. Until next time.